How to turn off suggested posts on Instagram. So to stop suggested posts on Instagram, what you have to do now, after you open up your Instagram app like this, scroll to down as you can see now. Like now this post as you can see now, Instagram says suggested post. So if you don't want seeing all those kind of suggested posts on your Instagram account, after you come to the post like this one, tap on this as you can see now, three dot at the top right side of the post. After you tap on this three dot as you can see now, scroll to down and tap on this not in straight text. This one. So now as you can see now, it will ask you to choose your reason for just removing this suggested post. So go ahead and choose your own reason. As you can see now, don't suggest this post from this person, or don't suggest post when certain word, or as you can see now, you can go ahead and tap on this last option. As you can see now, this post made me unfortunate. So go ahead and choose your reason for just hiding this post. So for me, I'll just go ahead and tap on this first one. Don't suggest post from this person. So now Instagram will stop suggesting post from all this person that you hide on your Instagram account. This is the first method. So the second method is tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this Instagram logo at the top left side. So now tap on this following button. So now by tapping on this following button, now Instagram will only gives you the content from the people that you are following on Instagram. As you can see now, all these are videos that are from the people that I'm following on my Instagram account. As you can see, it says following. So as you can see now here, it says following. So all the videos now, they will be from the people that I'm following on my Instagram account. That's it guys on how to stop or how to turn off suggested posts on Instagram. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.